8BitDo Retro 108 Mechanical Keyboard, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the 8BitDo Retro 108 Mechanical Keyboard, a nod to classic gaming aesthetics. Designed for Windows 10 and Android 9.0, ensuring broad compatibility and seamless integration. Features a full 108-key layout with an integrated Numpad for enhanced functionality. Equipped with Kale Box White Switches V2 and durable die-sub PBT keycaps. Top mount style with a hot swappable PCB supports N-key rollover for precision. Enjoy fast mapping on programmable buttons without the need for additional software. Compatible with 8BitDo Ultimate software for advanced customization and control. Order now. Order today for $119.99.